Hello you all, it's Maaike and I'm going to show you some new paper goodies I got from Juffrouw Muis. It's sponsored, I will link her down in the description box. It's all about summer and blue tones. So here we go. I'm going to share with you 5 paper pads, cardstock pads and of packages and 2 knipsels. It's called in Dutch knipsels, all those cut parts. And I've got this paper pad, beach. And I'm going to start off with the beach paper pad. Because look at this theme, isn't it adorable? I just love the colors, it's so super cute and adorable. And look, what do you think of this? You can cut it out, of course, you can place your own pictures, whatever you want, you can do it like the way you wish. And what I really love about it is the diversity of the children in those pictures. So yeah, I really think this is awesome. I really like it. Then we've got more to cut apart, to cut out. Are you a fussy cutter? Because I know not many of you like it to do, but tell me. Yeah, I think it's really relaxing to do. And look, this is so pretty. I really love it. Look, adorable. Sandcastle, summer, really cute. And this is perfect for your for your summer crafts, those parasols, those flip-flops. It's just so adorable. Beach vibes it is. And I really love the colors in those in this collection. We all love this color. So yeah, I think it's really great. Super adorable. This is gorgeous, of course. Look, beautiful yellow on the dress. Then we've got this. So you can see multiple colors. It's all the beach, but it has different styles. But the only thing what you see all the time are those really cute ladies. More fun to cut apart. This is really lovely. And I'm having tons of ideas, so you will see them soon, of course. Then we've got those. Those are the knipsels, as I said, cut apart. And you have to fussy cut. And did you know, because this is Dutch, but everything is made in Holland. And that's really unique. That's something I really love. But this already, you can cut so many pieces out of this. I really think it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh, those mouses. Super adorable. Swimming, eating, all at the pool. And we've got this one, Aloha. Ah, adorable. I'm going to start off with those because I've got some Scrap Diva dies who are coordinating perfectly with it. Then we also got these cut parts. It's called Captain. Well, you can figure out why. It's blue. I love to craft with blue. And I think I'm going to make a suitcase with this blue papers. But look, gorgeous. Then we've got more to cut out. This is going to be tricky. But yeah, this is going to be so much fun. And this is really different. She also put in those in the moestuin. It's, how do you say, vegetable garden. But yeah, look, so pretty, so cute. And this is my favorite. I just love it, and I know you all will love it. Look, so gorgeous. Perfect for Valentine, of course, but also for now it's just beautiful. And I happen to have, I bought a pond with this stamping border, so I hope I can use it with the ponds, but I'll have to see. But love, love, love. Then we've got, let me see, and this is called stamps. Then we've got those, and I know this is a new color, turquoise, sorry. We've got sand, piggy pink. It's like, it says pink, it is light, it's soft, maybe it's matte, maybe it's more peachy, but I really love this one. And we also got flamingo, and let me take out this flamingo, because look, this is so, I always love this checker plate. This always reminds me of my glass mat, but look at those colors, gorgeous, beautiful. This is just, I love those colors. And those packages, she has a lot. It all has the same prints, but different colors, and they are perfect. Because already you can see how gorgeous this is. I can't wait. And it's all those prints are in the same packages. But I will show them without the sleeve so you can see. Look, gorgeous. The sand, which is beautiful with blue, for example. Gorgeous. And this one, a favorite. Look, beautiful. Don't we love it? Well, not sure where to start. I had an idea, but now my head is spinning. And this is Dutch blue. Well, you can see the males, the windmills, queens, the crown. Now, typical Dutch elements. Gorgeous blue. I love blue. Look. This is this paper is more glossy. This is different paper. That's cool. This is sturdy. This is different. Look, this is typically Dutch. Beautiful. This is cool. This is... And what do you think of it when you're not from the Netherlands? Do you like something like this? This is adorable. I know a crafty friend of mine has been to the Netherlands. Maybe she would love it. Look at this blue. And I think it's called Dutch blue because Maxima, our queen, has worn this color. But yeah, this is cute, gorgeous. Those stripes. Beautiful tulips. This is a great package. So yeah, this is my reveal of the goodies I got from Juffrouw Muis. Thank you for watching and see you next time, and let me know what you think of it and what are you thinking about, what shall I make with it or what would you make with it. Let me know and I'll get back to you. Bye bye, thank you for watching.